Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that a lot of people seem to be very dismissive of the notion that maybe some of those accounts that people give of encountering UFOs, of encountering aliens, some of those accounts might actually be true. I'm not saying that all of them are true. I'm definitely not perpetuating or not trying to perpetuate the notion that all of those people who say that they have had encounters with aliens, all of them are necessarily true, but all of them are not necessarily false. This is the point that I'm trying to point out. I have seen a lot of well-known public personalities, eminent scientists who say that, if you can find an alternative explanation for a so-called strange phenomenon or for a strange event, then we should obviously focus more on that instead of saying that it's obviously aliens. I can understand where they are coming from. I can understand the reasoning behind that kind of thinking, but that line of reasoning or that line of thinking is a little bit, I would say, is not in favor of neutral analysis. That's what I think. Because the reason I'm saying this is because that to say that some incident that happened, it can be explained through normal phenomenon, through it can be explained by saying that so and so happened, so it's not some kind of a supernatural phenomenon. It is obviously a natural phenomenon that happened at a particular place at a particular time, and that's why we don't need to look at the aliens from outer space theory, because or aliens from outer space hypothesis, and we just and the case is closed because we already have some natural and normal explanation for whatever happened on a specific day. I can understand why people would latch or why people would prefer that kind of an explanation, but at the end of the day, I think it would be not this kind of thinking would not be conducive to a neutral investigation or a neutral analysis of events that happened on a particular day at a particular time. The reason I'm saying that is because if I see a particular incident happened, if a person says that he or she has had encounters with aliens, let's assume a person says that he or she has encountered aliens on a particular in a particular place at a particular time. That's it. Okay, so now we can approach this situation from two perspectives, or from three perspectives, I would say. Either we can say that, or maybe more perspectives, but I think let's now focus on three perspectives. Number one perspective is we automatically believe that it is aliens, and we try to find evidence that will corroborate it, that will help us prove our point. That is number one. That is a biased way of investigating something or analyzing a situation. Biased way of analyzing a situation. Number two, we can approach a situation with the mentality that, okay, I have to find a way to disprove the aliens from outer space hypothesis. So I have to find evidence that will basically help me prove those people wrong who want to give aliens the credit for some kind of strange phenomenon. Okay, so on one side, you would be approaching this situation in a way that you would be looking for evidence that will prove your claim that aliens are real. On the other side, you will be approaching this investigation from the perspective that you want to prove or you want to disprove the existence of alien intelligence. Both of them are actually biased ways of looking at things. Instead of being biased in favor of proving in favor of proving the alien hypothesis, or against proving the alien for disproving the alien hypothesis, I don't think you should have a set notion in mind while you are trying to investigate or analyze a particular situation. You should look at the evidence and then objectively make a deduction as to whether is this thing that happened, has this happened because of aliens? Has this happened? Is there a natural explanation for it? Even if there might be a natural explanation for it, are there some kind of quote unquote paranormal explanations that will sit right in here. So you have to look at everything from you have to look at a situation like that from a neutral perspective, not being in favor, not trying to prove your alien hypothesis, not trying to disprove the alien hypothesis, not trying to prove any other kind of hypothesis. You shouldn't be biased in and say that, you know what, I will only look at evidence that will prove my own biases right, that will only reinforce my biases. That is not the right way to investigate. Again, I'm not some kind of private investigator. I'm not part of the law enforcement. I'm not qualified to investigate anything. So I'm just giving my 2 cents as to why analyzing a situation with a bias in your mind can have effects on the way you see things. And maybe you would find evidence that will prove something contrary to your point of views, but you wouldn't want to look at it because you don't want to look at evidence that will be contrary to your to your pre-existing biases. That's what I'm saying. Just have an open mind instead of saying that, oh, it has to be aliens, or the alien hypothesis is fake, it's just conspiracy theory. Instead of saying that, I would say it's better to look at everything from a neutral, objective standpoint and then make deductions. Obviously, I would say a huge number of, or I would say, I don't know it's a minority or majority, but a lot of incidents that people have, that people say they have had encounters with aliens, I'm pretty sure that some of them might be fake. I don't know whether most of them are fake or only some of them are fake, but I think some of them must be fake. People might be trying to grab some attention, might be attract some attention, or they might have their brains might be playing games with their head, with their perception. But that does not mean that all of those people who have accounts to tell that they have had encounters with certain kind of outer space, quote unquote, people from outer space, that is not necessarily false. So let's just look at things from an objective standpoint. I hope you know what I mean. I'm not trying to perpetuate the notion that aliens are obviously real. I have never encountered aliens in my life, and I hope I never have to encounter a bad alien, an alien who wants to harm me in my life. Yeah. More on this in the next video. Until then, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.